Hello guys, so today in this video we are going to see complete review about this awesome product called Book Mojo, which is the world's first 3D animated flipbook cloud based platform along with millions of inbuilt flipbooks with PLR license that you can sell and keep 100% profits. So watch the complete video to see full demo of it, how it works, its various features and many more. And guys, if you get access to it right now, I have 3 free fast action taken bonuses for you from my side. So to learn more about it or to grab this limited time period offer, definitely check out the link in the description down below guys. So now let's get started.